Hey everyone, welcome back to Maintenance Monday, where we give you tips and tricks to make apartment living a little bit easier for you. Today, we're going to be giving you some quick tips for using your dishwasher that you might not know of. When first removing your filter, turn the filter counterclockwise and lift up. Now it's going to be a little dirty and grimy from all the gunk, so take it straight to the sink to wash everything off with warm, soapy water. Take a paper towel and go back to where the filter was in the dishwasher to make sure anything that may have fell off in the filter during the last wash is properly cleaned off. Put the filter back in, turn it clockwise, and you are set to go. And if you want your dishwasher to be extra clean after that, get some distilled white vinegar, put it in a dishwasher safe mug, and put it in the dishwasher. Then you're going to end up closing the dishwasher, turn it on a normal cycle, and let it do its job, and then you have a sparkling clean dishwasher. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Make sure to leave us a comment if any of these tips helped you. See you in the next one.